small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one stops.
This is the second part of our trip. We have finally arrived in Singapore. We'll be spending here the New Year's Eve. I'm in Intercontinental, as you know, I'm an Intercontinental guy. Actually, this is really nice. If it is handwritten, then it's nice. I don't know if you come across this, but it's called Handy. And actually you can take the phone with you. You can use the data completely for free. So that's a very nice thing. It's called Handy, so check it out. Maybe you'll find it useful. So basically, what's the plan? Nothing, just enjoy Singapore, try some local food, go to the gardens. We'll spend the New Year's Eve somewhere in the city and we'll stay in this hotel. Now sit back, relax and have fun. So first thing first, because we are super hungry, we're gonna hit a market, food market, but it's called Lao what?
Lao Pasar.
I just found the coolest spot in Singapore for every vlogger to shoot a fashion vlog. Isn't this cool? A lot of things to choose from. Probably every stand has different flavors from different country. This is something that should be local. It's called fried carrot cake and it's black or white. I have chosen combo. The thing is, I'm not really a big fan of carrots, so hopefully it has nothing to do with it. And it has not. But I'll tell you more in about a minute. Now, as the night comes, we went to the Marina Bay, the most beautiful place in Singapore. And actually, where the light show is happening. The light show has just finished. I'm lucky that I'm tall as hell, so yeah, but I can't imagine what's gonna be here tomorrow when there is a New Year Eve. This is just one show and there are 3 shows a night, so but it was nice. It was really nice. Good job, Singapore. Good job. We're in Marina Bay Gardens. Purchase the tickets online because it's cheaper and you don't have to queue. Unfortunately, the weather pretty much sucks. Maybe a few tips from Singapore. We are just traveling by public transport. It's called MRT. It's really cheap, and top tip is to buy this plastic card and top it up, because you don't have to wait sometimes really honestly 30 minutes to get a single ticket. They have the most happiest subway in the world, because every time you get out, they say in their local language something like happy happy.
Berhati-hati di ruang platform.
For me, it's completely awesome.
Berhati-hati.
Marina Bay Gardens, awesome thing. 2 buildings that you can enter. One is the forest something, and one is the flower aquarium, whatever it is. We are in a rainforest dome. It sounds a little bit bizarre, like it is not raining enough outside, right? But anyway, it's a great experience. You take the lift, you're going all the way up, different plants from different parts of the world. just be prepared to bring something on you because it's pretty much cold out here.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
Okay, because it's still raining outside, we have entered the Flower Dome, and probably the same idea had another like 20,000 people. For me, this is nothing special because it's plenty to see outside. Oh, Christmas tree.
Wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at this beautiful stars.
Probably I don't have to tell you that Singapore is super expensive, especially for guy from Eastern Europe. Just an example, like the sandwich and chocolate milk, like 15 Singapore dollars, $14 per just glass of wine, and it goes like this. I mean, like you can go to the food court like we've been yesterday. It's really that's cheap. That's just like $5 or $6 for like meat that you can't even finish. So that's great. Oh, and I found out what's the carrot cake about. Yep, it has nothing to do with the carrot, but it should be like egg. The black one was with soya sauce, the white one was without, and egg, flour, rice, and it's called relish. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like it. For me, it was a little bit like plain, so not really my favorite dish, but I think you should try it when you're in Singapore. So.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
Okay, so we're finally in Marina Bay, waiting for New Year to come. The thing is, like, I don't know if you can see it from with the GoPro only, but there are like hundreds of people waiting to get here. We get inside via the subway from the bayside, and I can tell you that it was no fun to get through the doors outside. I'm not saying it was scary, but it was no fun. But hopefully it will be worth it, right? Fireworks. 6 minutes of fireworks. Hooray! I really hope that the fireworks will be worth it. Well, it was. For about 15 seconds, and then we ran to the subway. We are about to leave to Batam, so stay tuned. Next video is coming shortly. We will be back in Singapore, where I'll show you how this crazy infinity pool and Marina Bay Sands hotel that is worth $500 a night look like. If you like what you see, just hit the subscribe button, comment, complain, do whatever you like. Just remember, always have fun.